So in this video, I'm going to talk about a message I received from a potential buyer. This guy actually asked me to break the law. Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dave. I'm a part-time content creator here on YouTube. I'm a part-time reseller, full-time father, husband, nurse, and I make these videos on YouTube to help out new people to reselling, no matter what your platform. If it's eBay, Mercari, Craigslist, whatever, I'm here to help you out. Down in the description, I have links to how-to videos, how to list, how to sign up for eBay for the first time, how to research, how to source items, all that kind of stuff. I also have playlists too. What sold on eBay, sourcing videos. Check out those playlists. Tons and tons of videos. They're also called BOLOs. Be on the lookout. But the what sold on eBay videos are very helpful. They help you to source the right items. It gives you kind of a secret inside tip on what sells and what doesn't. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a message I received from a potential buyer. This guy actually asked me to break the law. Now I'm going to get into what he said and how I responded and how you can respond if you receive strange messages from either actual buyers or potential buyers in this video. So I have Joey. He's my CPA. He works cheap. He's going to help me out. I'm not going to get deep into taxes, specifically sales tax and how that works. It's very complicated, but this is a very high level overview. And if you need legal questions, you're going to have to get your own CPA. I got Joey here. He's mine. And if Joey can't answer the question because it's just too complicated, I've got Enoch right here I can consult. He works for free. Joey works for peanuts. So let's get into what this guy said. So first of all, let me show you what I had listed. I'll put a picture up here. This is a vintage like pinstriping kit. It's a little painting kit where you paint stripes. It's very old. There's no UPC on it, so it's probably earlier than the early 70s. I think 74, 75, somewhere around there, UPCs became pretty commonplace. So this doesn't have that. So this is probably late 60s, like 70, 71. There's a few on eBay. It's worth a decent amount of money. Because there's very few, I listed it for $25.95. Within 24 hours, I got a message. If you list something for sale, regardless of the platform, and you get a message right away, to me, right away is 24 to 48 hours. That gives you a pretty good idea that you've got a hot item, that it's in demand. I listed this thing, and within hours, there was a bunch of views. I don't know if I have a watcher or two, but exactly 24 hours later, I get this message, so I know. Yeah, I'm just like, so I know I got something good. And I'm thinking this message is a lowball offer. And it kind of was, but it was a little weird. Let me tell you what the guy said. I'll put his message up here too, and I'll put a picture of it. But he said basically, would you be willing to sell for $30 with shipping and no tax? Now on the surface, I'm looking at this thinking, okay, what is he asking? He wants to pay $30 and shipping, but no sales tax. That's literally impossible. Even if I could do that, I would never do it. It's unethical and it's illegal. Joey said, no way, not gonna happen. Made Joey chuckle, actually. So this item I have listed for $25.95, and I'll put some pictures up as I'm talking about this. Calculated first class shipping in the box with the bubble wrap, the label, everything. It weighs out to about 10 ounces. So that's what I charge. So as a buyer, when you see this item listed in my eBay store, it will show you what the shipping cost is for you, because eBay knows your zip code and knows where you live. Now, when I look at it, I show a picture up here, it's the cheapest possible shipping. That's if somebody lived probably within 100 miles of me, that's what they would have to pay. But I'm in Michigan, so if somebody lives in California, the price is going to be very different. But eBay will show you because they know where you live. eBay also knows the sales tax where you live, and I don't. So eBay figures all that out for the buyer, and the buyer has no mystery of what it costs, but he wanted to pay 30 bucks. So I have no idea what it cost this guy until the sale is completely over and done with. He's just looking. I don't know what the shipping is for him, but he knows. So I'm going to do some math up here for you and show you what his cost would be And what he probably should have said, or I think I'm going to guess what he said, if he thinks I can just turn sales tax on and off, he's crazy. That just can't happen, and it would never happen. But here's the breakdown. So this is just an example. I'm using ballpark figures just to make the math easy, and I'll do the math up here. So the item is $25.95. And let's say the shipping and handling is $5.30 for a total of $31.25. Now let's just pretend his sales tax where he lives is 6%. The grand total would be $33.13. So eBay collects the sales tax for me as the seller. I have nothing to do with it. And right now I'm not managed payments, I'm under PayPal. So all of this, the sale item, the shipping, the sales tax, it all goes to PayPal. It's a very weird system. And all the fees are based on the grand total. And I'll put a picture of an example of some other item that I sold to show you that the sales tax includes shipping. So you have the item price, the shipping cost, then the sales tax. And then all the fees come out of that, and I get charged the fees. Then PayPal takes the sales tax money, sends it back to eBay, and then eBay sends it to the state or the county where the buyer lives. It's very weird, but that's how it works. And there are other great videos on YouTube that explains how sales tax works. You have to be careful though, because this changes all the time. Managed payments versus PayPal. States have different ways of doing it. Right now, most states are enforcing their own laws of internet sales tax. Believe it or not, some states don't. There are some states that don't have it on the books yet. Maybe when you're watching this video a year from now, all the states will be participating, but not all of them do, and it's very complicated. Some states have different sales tax for different counties. I know Florida, I don't know how many counties there are in Florida, but they all have their own sales tax. So eBay figures all that out for you, collects it, and pays it. Not this video. This video is not about sales tax. This is about customers, potential customers, and messages they send you and how to deal with it. Now, instead of sending me a message saying, can I pay $30 and no tax, he could have done the math, and I'm going to do the math up here for you because he knows the sales tax in his state. I don't. He knows what the shipping cost is. I don't. And he could have done this. He could have sent me an offer for $22.30. And let's just say, to make it easy, that the shipping was $6. And let's make it easy and say the sales tax where he lives is 6%. So his grand total would be $29.998. So basically $30. Now I think I know what he's trying to say. I think he's trying to say out the door pricing. What he wants to say is, hey, how can I get this for $30 even? Now either he's not good at math, or he's not good with his words and doesn't know how to explain it. I always assume positive intent. Joey assumes positive intent. Enoch assumes positive intent. Maybe he's just not good at trying to express what he means, and he wants to know how to get it for $30. But the way he phrased it is he wants to pay an item price plus a shipping price so that it comes out to $30, and oh, by the way, don't charge me sales tax. That was just weird, a weird message and a weird way to put it. Definitely the answer is no to that. So how did I handle this? Well, I handle it like I do every message. I assume positive intent. If you get a nasty message, maybe somebody had a really bad day. Maybe they, their dog ran away or something happened and they just put them in a bad mood. I always respond in a positive way, in a nice way. I'm never rude. You just don't know what's going on the other side of that smartphone or the internet connection. So this is my message back to him. The only thing I am able to do is take an offer. That's it. I just said all I can do is take an offer, and I haven't heard back from him yet. I'm not in a big hurry to sell this item. Like I said, it's only been up on my eBay store for 24 hours. That's not very long at all. After a couple months, then I might lower the price, put it on sale, take lower offers. But I think this is just a math issue or a communication problem. Maybe English isn't his first language and he just didn't phrase it right, or he used Google Translate to translate it. I don't know. So if you get weird or strange messages from potential buyers or actual buyers, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you with that. You can contact me on Instagram. On Instagram, it's Midwest_Picker. You can look me up. You can go to MidwestPicker.com. That will link you to my Midwest Picker Facebook page, my Instagram, my YouTube, all of it. My email is listed down below. You can send me an email question. I'd be happy to help you out. If you're new to reselling, you're going to have a low feedback or a low rating. I'm not really sure how Posh and Etsy and all those others work. I know I'm on Macari and it shows a rating for me. But if you have a low rating, you might get some really weird offers. They're assuming you don't know what you're doing, or you might get some weird messages. Like if you sell something, say you have it listed for $12, you might get a message saying, hey, can I pay $20? Here's my cell phone number. Text me. I'll send you a cashier's check. I mean, you can see what this is. It's a total scam. Nobody pays more than what you have it listed for. That's just nuts. So that's a common scam. If you feel like you're being scammed, the best thing to do is ignore the messages. If the messages continue, you can block them. But reach out to me if you want. If you like the video, guys, if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I make a video. This is one of those one-off videos. I don't often do a video like this. It's normally what's sold on eBay or sourcing videos. I haven't been sourcing for a while, but I am selling stuff. I got this Coleman lantern on auction. I think it has about 4 days left, and it's up to $132, so I'm really excited. When it finally sells, I'm definitely going to put that on a what sold on eBay video, and I'll show you the sale price. I also admit I paid way too much for it. I paid up for it, but you'll know why when I show you on the video. So that's it, guys. That's the video. It's a short one today. Thanks for watching.